The Veken French press is the perfect companion for a flawless cup of coffee. Use the included measuring spoon to add coffee grounds to the press. Add hot water and stir with the complementary wooden spoon. Gently put on the lid and turn to close the strainer. Leave the press for 3 to 5 minutes. Slowly press down on the stainless steel plunger. Turn the lid to open the strainer and pour your delicious coffee. While you wait, you can use the milk frother to make foam to add to your drink. Choose the Veken French press and enjoy a delightful cup of coffee. The glass flask can be removed for easy cleaning. Use the included brush for those hard-to-reach places.